So today, I will be killing people in public lobbies for only entertainment purposes only. I don't know if they're gonna get their stuff back. That's their problem. And let's get on with the video.
Yo, what is?
I said I hate America.
Yes. Yo, you better not be running away. Oh!
Red.
Dual RPG.
Oh no!
Yo. Mr.Blister, where are you? You're not talking.
Yo, am I talking?
I need RPG ammo. There's lots of RPGs over there. There's no ammo. Or you. Actually, it's not you. No, give me an RPG. How many more? I just oofed that guy.
Alright, this is the
I
next
already
lobby,
have a grappling
guys.
hook in my back.
Kill them.
In my back?
No, in my back.
I'm gonna wait for this guy to go out,
Bruh.
and then I'm gonna start shooting.
That's nothing valuable. I'm sorry.
Wait.
Yeah, no.
Okay, run, run.
I said something bigger or better, like I said. Does anyone know that mod is called?
God, I think you died.
How do I play this
Yo,
game?
you slept. He got scared.
I played these games before.
You
ate half the game before!
Hey, that's mine, please.
What's that?
I beg of you. Please. No! Grab myself. It's always
What the
him!
fuck is in this damn bag?
Can I have it, please?
What is in this? 1, 2, tell me what's in this bag, I'll give it back.
Yes!
It's food that Grandpa's kitty.
Grappler acquired! So that
iPad.
that server didn't work out.
How do you get money in this game?
Alright, so
No! No! What are you doing? God, what are you doing? God, what are you doing? God, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh no!
Can I have my stuff back?
No.
Hey,
Give
this guy
his
got my
stuff
stuff.
back.
And Tim.
Give his stuff back. Give it back now. Give his stuff back. Come on, let's go on a walk. Come on, let's go on a walk, bro. Come on a walk, Black. Go to someone. Come on. Go on a walk, Black. Hey, yo! So what you're saying is I can get reported to the Discord for stealing the snowballs.
alright. Gotta kill.
Oh my god. Do I have to?
Give me one, bro.
No way I fucking survived that shit, no! No way! Oh my god! Damn! Okay, come on! Did we go? Get this hand in, there's no more.
I want
There's
this
no
guy
more.
to get out. Let's go. Right, I'm
Oh my
gonna kill him.
god!
Can
Oh
someone
my
buy me
god!
an RPG, please? Follow us. Let's go.
I'm holding 2 RPGs. Oh my fucking...
Can someone buy me an RPG?
Yes!
What?
3 kills! 3
Well,
kills!
what you do now?
4 kills! Let's go!
How
No, no, no.